Hello guys, this is Monica. Today I'm going to talk about something which is very important in your Ielts test. Today I'll share 5 different vocabulary words that can definitely boost your score. So just use these words, just add these words in your vocabulary. This is a mantra to score high in Ielts test. So our first word is plethora. Plethora. If you connect it, plethora, it means a lot of. You can use the word if you have a lot of stuff, like if you have a lot of hobbies. If you want to say, I have number of hobbies, then you can use this word plethora as I have plethora of hobbies. If you go in a restaurant and if you want to say there are lots of cuisines, there are lots of dishes, then you can use the word plethora as there are plethora of cuisines. So plethora is a word that you can use if you have a lot of stuff. If you want to say a lot of, then you can use this word. Our second word is mesmerize. Mesmerize. If you connect it, that is mesmerize. That means you are charmed. If you go somewhere and you just love the beauty of that place, then you can use the word mesmerize. The place is very beautiful and I was mesmerized. The lake, the picture, the painting, the destination, it was so beautiful and I was mesmerized. So mesmerized is a word that you can use if you feel surprised to see the beauty of any place. Our third word is however. However, that means but. If you have two different contradicting sentences and you have to connect them together, then you can use the term however. For example, I used to play guitar, but now I love to play piano. So these are two different sentences. I used to play guitar, now I love to play piano. These are two contradicting sentences, but I want to connect them together, then I will use the term however. I used to do dancing, but now I love singing. These are two different contradicting sentences. Now I am combining together, then I will use the term however. Our fourth word is recapitulate. Recapitulate. If we connect it, that is recapitulate. Recapitulate means to give summary. Like if you have two things, this one is better or this one is better, and you have to give your opinion, you have to give the summary of anything, then you can use the word recapitulate. And you can also replace this term as in my opinion, like you're going to give your opinion. Our fifth and the last word is dilemma. Dilemma. If you connect it, that is dilemma. Dilemma is a word that you can use for confusion. If you're stuck between two different choices, if you are confused between two different things and you have to choose one, then you can use the word dilemma. A common dilemma is trying to select dishes from the menu. This dilemma, I think this dilemma is faced by everyone. So these are the 5 words that you can use in your Ielts speaking. And trust me, if you use these words, if you add these words, it will definitely boost your Ielts score. Just try to pronounce these words and try to practice in front of mirror. So all the best for your exam. Good luck.